I'm going to show you how you can buy Litecoin in the Phantom Wallet app. It's really easy to do. First thing you do is you need to just open up the Phantom Wallet app and log in like I am so here. Now make sure your app is up to date, and once it is, you just want to click on the buy option right here, where you can simply search for any currency that they have just directly added. But what we're going to have to do is we're going to actually have to click on one of these currencies. You just want to click on Solana, and you want to buy $10 or however much Litecoin you want, and we're going to actually swap this Solana into our Litecoin on the Phantom Wallet app. Now, once you've actually clicked on the buy option, you should have however much you bought in the Phantom Wallet app, and you just want to go over to the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen and just type in the word Litecoin like so. When you type in Litecoin, you can actually see all the different types of Litecoins there are, but just make sure that you're clicking on the right one depending on the one you want, because there's a lot of ones that are simulating the real one, but none of them are all the real ones. So once you've actually found your Litecoin, you click on this little icon that looks like a swap option depending on the one you want to swap, and you can simply swap your Solana, Ethereum, or any crypto you have in this app into Litecoin. Now currently it doesn't look like it's on the Phantom Wallet app, but that's how you